Hello everyone, this is Ty Domino Guy here, and today I'm going to be dropping 136 marbles down a marble run. Each week I will drop the amount of subscribers I have in marbles down a marble run. The marble run will be different every week. So starting with 136 this week, and that's a lot of marbles, and it'll really put into perspective how many people 136 people are. So, ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. So, this is 136 marbles down a single marble run. This is how many subscribers I have, too. So keep that in mind. So this is the first episode of Subscriber Marble Race. And I will see you in the one next week. Bye.